So, how did you celebrate Mother's Day last year? Did your kids shower you with flowers, cards, gifts, and maybe a meal at a restaurant? Would you like some fresh ideas to have a meaningful celebration this year? Often we leave it to our children as to how they wish to celebrate Mother's Day, and you just go with the flow, right? Instead, this time you suggest a new idea to your children. Greetings from Neena teacher, and today the topic is fresh ideas for a meaningful Mother's Day celebrations. As a teacher, I have always made it a point to tell my student in advance about the upcoming festivals, special days, and how it can be celebrated in a meaningful way. But one special day I have never been able to talk about is Mother's Day. Why? Because this day falls in May and my school is always closed in summer vacation in the month of May. So every June, the new batch who comes to my class has already celebrated this day. Hence, I wanted to reach out to all the young school-going children via you, dear parents, to share some special ideas for celebrating Mother's Day. Here are 5 ideas to make a meaningful and fun Mother's Day celebration with your kids. The first idea. Tell your children you're putting up a special schedule and the kids will have to do whatever the schedule says. This will be the best gift ever for you. Then put up a timetable for hugs and kisses. Imagine what would Mother's Day be with hugs and kisses spread all over the day. So set up a silly hugs and kisses schedule and post it on the refrigerator or any visible spot. For instance, you could write 8 a.m. the children wake you up with a hug and kiss. Or 10:30 a.m. the kids hop around on one foot and assemble for a group hug. Make up your own directions and silly things to do, but be sure to include lots of hugs, kisses and laughter. That would make your day happy and perfect, won't it? The second idea, have a photo shoot. Your first thought might be, nowadays we are taking pictures all the time. What's new? Wait, listen. Make this Mother's Day special with a planned mother and kids photo shoot. Organize coordinating outfits, fun goofy poses. You can put up these pictures on a digital photo frame or post prints on your refrigerator or photo wall. Every time you look at the pics, you will feel a fountain of joy erupting in your heart. The third idea is film a home movie. Keep building your home video collection by capturing your Mother's Day memories from this year. Then you can plan to watch them together on the next Mother's Day and all the years after that. Trust me, the little ones too will love this one. You can make a reel, dance together on a favorite song. There are no limits to creativity. The next idea, bring out all your photo albums when you used to have hard copies of your children's photographs. Or if you have all digital prints, cast them on your TV and see them together. A lot of love will overflow your hearts. Idea number 5. Watch a great mom and kids movie on your television. Make lots of popcorn and see the movie together, uninterrupted with your kids. Movies do a great job in evoking emotions, and this is a day to go all mushy on each other. Here are 3 movies which will be perfect for this day. Choose the one you feel will suit the ages of your children. Find out where the movies are being run, whether on YouTube or any OTT, or from where you can buy it or rent it. Don't wait till Mother's Day to do this, for it's quite a time-consuming process. And at the last minute, you might just have to manage with whatever is available. Arrange for the movie at least a day before. So here are 3 movies I've handpicked specially for all of you. It will perfectly capture the meaningful mother-child bond. It would be an ideal way to cap off your special day. The first movie is Dumbo. This classic Disney animated film is story of an elephant named Dumbo and his mother. Both are a heartwarming duo. The love that Mama Jumbo has for her son is immeasurable. She gets into trouble when she hits a kid who was pulling at Dumbo's unusually large ears. So she's locked away. Their relation comes to a full circle when Dumbo proves his maturity by freeing his mother. The second movie is Brave. It's a touching movie about a princess who wants to go against the customs of her land. She and her mother just can't seem to see eye to eye. Along the story, she and her mother form a beautiful bond they didn't think was possible. This film is so relatable, especially for all those moms out there with strong willed little girls. And the third film is Neel Bate Sanata. This is a beautiful story of a housemaid who enrolls herself in a 15-year-old daughter's school to make sure she studies and gets through her board exams. The daughter is not at all interested in studies and feels it's a waste of time. This emotional film portrays the powerful bond between the mother and child. So that's all, folks. I hope you liked some of the ideas shared today. Do share in the comments which idea you are going to try out on this Mother's Day. Dear parents, as the name of my channel suggests, you are most welcome to ask me any questions related to your child's growth, and I shall share my perspective as a teacher to help you out. And one more thing, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, what are you waiting for? Before I sign off, here is a special poem, a tribute for all the wonderful mothers in my audience. Here it is. To all the moms who smile and tickle and snuggle, who cry and yell, who worry and struggle, who kiss away boo-boos and wipe poopy butts, who battle with routines and fall into ruts, who smother their children with sunscreen and smooches, who still can't get rid of their pregnancy pooches, who teach their kids manners and how to wash dishes, who offer their wisdom, their own dreams and wishes, who beg and plead daily for help from above, to moms who do all this and more every day. I wish you the happiest Mother's Day. See you in my next video. Take care and goodbye for now.